So I'm not having a good morning. Reason being, Robinhood is up. Now, if you've been watching my channel, a month ago, I did a call option and I predicted that Robinhood would be up. Said exactly what would happen, why it would be up. And it's the problem. That's why I'm mad. So when I got Robinhood, let's say it was like $9 a share. And my call option, this is my first option ever. I'm like, this is a good one because I seen everything Robinhood was doing. It was only making sense. I'm like, yeah, they're about to grow. So the call option was about $9 and my expectations was for it to raise to $11.64. If it did that, that's my break even mark and all that stuff, right? So once I knew we had earnings coming out, I knew we had the FOMC meeting with the interest rate, all of that stuff. So a few days ago, I believe on the 28th, I believe that was on Friday, I decided to sell my Robinhood at 11.40, I believe, 11.40. All right. We live in the country, gotta deal with country stuff. So at 11.40, which I wasn't too mad because I technically made money, but my expiration date was the 4th, which is tomorrow. Why the hell is their stock up to $12.60 after missing their expectations on their earnings and stuff? Orlando, what do you mean? All the numbers came through negative. It was nothing really good. The cryptocurrency down, their monthly users down. Everything is down besides option trading. That is up like 10%. So if I had to replay this 10 times out of 10, I would have did the exact same thing I did. Probably would have tried to wait a few more days, but it wasn't worth possibly going in the red while I could have cashed out in the green. So here go a clip from even Yahoo Finance. They're still confused. Like, nobody knows. Like, this is how crazy the stock market is. Nobody knows what the hell is going to go on. So if you had a crystal ball and they're like, look, Robinhood is about to miss expectations. They're about to miss here, here, and here. You're going to bet that their stock is going to go down. Wrong. Why is it going up? Nobody completely knows. I like what they've been doing. I still own some Robinhood, so I'm making money, but I would have made an extra $1,000 probably if I held a few more days. So that's why I'm upset. So watch this clip, hit that subscribe button. On my way to the gym.
And shares of Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD, those shares are actually moving higher. This is after the trading app reported losses for the quarter that were narrower than expected as revenue increased 14%. This comes as monthly active users that fell by nearly 2 million on the platform. There you're taking a look at some of the actuals versus the estimates on your screen. A few other things to note. The transaction-based revenues increased 3% sequentially to about $208 million. Options, that was up by about 10%. Cryptocurrencies, that did decrease during the quarter, and that kind of in line with what we've seen in the crypto space right now, too.
Yeah, it seems like an EBITDA beat is what the street is paying attention to here. They did post a net loss, but if you adjust that and look at EBITDA just specifically, the company had an unexpected gain where analysts were forecasting a loss. So that seems to be what's encouraging to people. It seems like analysts are sort of looking on the bright side of this.
That's what happens when you fire 23% of your workforce a couple years ago.
Yeah, I guess that helps the profitability to some extent. But one analyst over at Morgan Stanley said that the profitability inflection should boost investor confidence. At the same time, he says user growth and engagement challenges remain amid an unfavorable macroeconomic backdrop. So you can cut all you want, but if the top line is not growing how it should be, then that's obviously still an issue.
I would say not a good top line quarter. I did find it interesting, though, on the conference call last night, they're pushing what appears to be into gold products, and with some success. No plans to push into bonds, but pushing forward with gold and perhaps starting to lay the groundwork for more of a retirement-focused packages.
Wow, yeah, I thought the kids only wanted to buy digital gold, not
right?
actual gold.
Yeah, clearly.
Look, I think the retirement product is going to be a big move forward for them, especially considering how many